Hey guys, thanks for coming to my channel. This is so basic. Today we will be learning how to use the Snip tool. Basically a screenshot of what you want to work on your computer. Windows 10 specifically. So if you have a Windows 10 computer, first you will go to your search bar. You can either scroll down to find it, or you can type in Snip. First, you'll see snipping tool. You'll double click on that. And to the right of your screen, it'll appear. Now, there's a couple of features on the snipping tool. First, you have new, is how you start the snip. You have different modes. What I like to use is rectangular. Rectangular, you can just grab a quick little screenshot, just drag it out with your mouse. And there you go, there's your picture. To save that, you'll either go to File, Save As. Computer's a little slow right now. And then you'll just save it. Or you can go here to the Save Snip. And you'll just save it. To get out of that screen and start a new snip, you'll just click New. Click New again just to stop that. We can change the mode if you want to get the window that you're working in. Say you want to grab a screenshot of the window you're working in on the internet. You'll click on this. And you'll just click here where the red outline is what you're grabbing. You'll click it. And if you scroll down, you can see the entire page. You can do the same, saving that as well. We'll do one more. Now you also have the full screen snip, but that's pretty self-explanatory. You'll grab the full screen. Another one is the freeform snip. You can do anything with this one. You can just make a little topsy-turvy. Or, do whatever you want with that one. Now you can either send this by email there, or I really recommend just saving it. That, you can also edit these snips, so you can, mark on it whatever you need to do, circle something in there, then save it. So that right there is pretty much all you need to know about the snip. Now, wasn't that so basic?